everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Alright guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you what we Africans take to be strong and to get rid of tiredness. Okay, this is amazing, this is natural, and this is so intriguing. Yeah, and this is so superb. Like, I literally love it so much. All right guys, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share if you do love the video. Okay, let me take you right in. So this is actually going to give you some strength. Okay, so when you take this, it's going to help you with some strength. What you're going to be needing first is this, and this is carrot. All right, so because of the beta carotene in carrot, mixing it up with other ingredient that I'm going to be showing you is going to be bomb. It's going to be the fire in it. Okay, so it's going to help you fire on really well. Now if you don't want to use carrots, you can also use watermelon. Watermelon is naturally activator that helps to activate you, okay, as a man. All right, so after peeling this all up, I would have to be washing it. And then dicing it. Okay, so after doing that, I have to transfer it into the blender. And then I'll put a little bit of water. So after that is done, we're going to be needing some garlic. So in this particular one, you need garlic as an activator. Okay, need garlic to activate it, to activate this drink and make it really effective. Okay, so then I would have to turn it into the blender also. And then I would have to blend it. So I'll blend it for 10 to 15 seconds. Alright guys, so after this is done, our carrot juice is ready, and then I'm going to be adding just a little bit of water. Get a glass, get a strainer, turn that into a strainer and strain it all out. So after doing that, you're going to be needing honey. Now do not use sugar for this particular one because it's just going to ruin the result. Okay, it's going to make you really weak and tired on time. Okay, honey is basically what you're going to be needing. So you're going to be putting 1 tablespoon of honey into this. Now you have to use organic honey also. For you to know which honey is organic, when you put the honey inside the water, it goes down and settles. And then you have to stir it. Alright, so to make this ingredient complete, I'm going to be introducing ginger to it. We need some ginger to make this thing ginger up, okay? So just a little bit of ginger is basically what we're going to be needing. So not too much, so that we don't have to ruin the results already. Okay, so after doing that, I would have to be washing it. For this particular one, I'm gonna be creating it. Now you might decide to also blend it, but I just feel like creating this. Alright, so after doing that, I'm going to be putting water to make sure that I get all of the goodness out of this. Then I'll stir it all up. Get the glass back in and strain it out. Now it would have been better if you blend it, okay? What would have remained wouldn't have been much. Okay, so use this and go fire for fire. You know, this is gonna be very helpful in giving you strength and in activating you really well, both for women and for men, literally. So go give this a try, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it, just like I am loving it also. Okay, all right. So that's it, guys. Go try this house, and you are gonna be saying goodbye to tiredness, and you are gonna be firing hard. You're gonna be firing. I wanna sing as well. You are gonna be firing hard. You are gonna be firing hard. Okay, so that's basically it. You're gonna be strong, you're gonna say goodbye to tiredness, and you're going to be really good. Okay, so you're gonna fire really hard. Alright guys, so that's it. If you do love my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.